Subscribe to BoostUp Station if you haven't, and today we are going to install Journal++ app in Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10 and 11. So this is the note taking app, you can see right here, and there are a lot of features of it. For the stable version, you have to go to this website here, and if you scroll down in the assets 13, you can see this file windows.zip. Just download it. And if you want to go for the latest version but it could be unstable, you can go to this website right here, and if you scroll down in the assets, here is the nightly version which is the latest. Download this also. We are going to try both of these, and these files have been downloaded in the downloads folder right here. You can see them. So let me right click on it and click on extract all and click on extract. Do the same for this one, the nightly version. Now it's your choice which version you want to try, but I am going for the nightly version. Double click to install it. Now follow the instructions. Next, I agree, next, and install. Now wait for it to install, and let me also connect my XP Pen graphics tablet here. It works for almost all of the graphics tablets. Now click on close, and in the start menu you can look for Journal++, and here it is. Let us try to write something on it. Best note taking app for all Windows versions, and it works wonders. You can even highlight it. So let me highlight it. You can see right here. You can even choose the color of it for highlighting as well as writing. So if I click on pencil, I can choose the color for writing it. Subscribe, and you even have the option for recording. Like if you want to record it, first of all you have to change the settings in preferences. So go to the edit menu and click on preferences. Now in the audio recording, you can set the default folder, like I want to store in the desktop, or you can choose any other folder. Now you also have to change the input to the microphone and the output to the speakers, and click on OK. And this recording only records audio, no video will be recorded, as you can see it. So let me start it for you. So this audio recording is just to take notes as an audio in the app. So you can take audio notes if you don't want to write. So that is what the use of this audio recording in this Journal++ program, and it will be saved on the desktop. You can see if I close this audio recording from here, and in the desktop we have the file. So please subscribe to BoostUp Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.